Hola Marias! Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, i-share ko po sa inyo ang aking current go-to hairstyle whenever I'm filming. And yes, lately pinost ko nga po ang aking photo after kong kulayan at gupitin ang sarili kong hair. Kasi if you notice, iba na yung aking hairstyle ngayon. And because it's quarantine, kailangan nating mag-DIY. So if you are interested to know how I usually style my hair, then please keep on watching. Yes guys, I heard you. You are requesting for a hairstyle tutorial. Well, maybe dalawa lang yata sila. Pero, ganun pa rin yun. Meron pa rin nag-request. So, I decided to come up with this video. I know last time nag-create na po ako ng video reviewing this product. But that is mostly how I review a certain product. It's not focused on how I do my hairstyle. But this time, I decided to make a step-by-step tutorial on how I normally use this product and how I style my current hair during quarantine. So, basically, this product, ni-review ko siya a couple of weeks ago. This was sent to me by Kronusph. And this is currently on a promo if ever you'll be interested to buy this. Syempre, hindi naman yun yung focus ng video na to. Pero if ever lang you get interested, you can always use my code. Lalagay ko na lang dito or dito. I think it's Fritz VIP 10. And they're currently at 1,299 pesos from 2,500. And kapag ginamit niyo yung aking code, meron kayong 10% discount. So if ever you're interested, just go to the link down in the description below. So now, what I normally do is I make sure na yung buhok ko is protected before I start styling it. So, most of the time, 60 to 70% ng hair ko ay wet pa. Or, let's say, after kong mag-shower, nakapag-bis na ako, nakapag-skincare, or either nakakain na, 50 or 60% wet pa yung hair ko. That's the best time for me to usually style it. Blow dry, or iron it after, blow dry, and then curl it after. But, because of this product, it's easier for me to style my hair even if 60 to 70% wet pa yung hair ko, 15 minutes lang, nagagawa ko na siya with this. Actually, yung hairstyle ko sa recent videos ko, ganito na talaga siya. Ang init, friend. Well, kasi I decided na wash and wear na tong hair na to. So, dinupit ko lang siya, nilagyan ko siya ng style ganyan kasi na-realize ko nung nireview ko to, napaka-pin straight pala talaga ng hair ko. Kahit may volume siya sa personal, it did not translate sa video. So, without further ado, dami kong daldal, let's proceed with the demonstration on how I normally style my hair. Alright, so simulan na nga po natin. First of all, you have to make sure that your hair is approximately 30 to 40% dry or 60 to 70% wet. At least 60 to 70% wet kasi hindi naman natin gusto yung nagtutulo-tulo yung buhok natin tapos gagamit tayo ng tool, baka makuryente tayo kasi nabasa yung tool, nakasaksak siya sa kuryente, diba? Kailangan din natin mag-ingat. Pangalawa, importante na lagyan natin ng heat protectant yung ating buhok. Kahit ano lang, hindi naman kailangan mahal. Yung gamit ko nga dito, argan oil heat protectant. At the same time, it gives moisture on my hair. Siya nga pala, whenever you are styling, don't put too much conditioner kasi yung conditioner, nagpapabagsak siya ng buhok. So, if you're going to straighten your hair, then that's the time you use a conditioner. If hindi naman, kontian nyo lang yung conditioner na ginagamit nyo. But of course, you really have to wash your hair using a shampoo and then put the conditioner. Less is more when it comes to conditioner. And only apply conditioner on the tip of your hair or the end of it para hindi kayo magkabalakubak. As you can see, in less than 10 minutes, this is already the result on half head of hair that I have. From dull, lifeless hair to voluminous and bouncy hair that is soft and easy to manage. So here comes the actual demonstration. So let's just make sure that we section the hair properly. lesser hair, the better para mas bouncier and shiny yung ating hair. So, start from the roots of the hair that is closest to your scalp and make it last for about 5 to 10 seconds only. If your hair is thin and coarse and fine like mine, mga 5 seconds lang pwede na. Kung makapal naman siya, then around 10 seconds. No longer than that, kasi hindi na siya maganda sa hair. So, as you can see, medyo pinapatagal ko siya habang nililift ko siya from the roots. And then, slowly, pagdating niya sa tip, ganun din, pinapatagal ko rin siya ng around 5 to 10 seconds. Now, when it comes to the top portion of the head or the crown, you have to make sure na mas maninipis yung sectioning natin dito para mas maganda yung lift niya at mas volumize. You may have noticed, mas maraming beses nating dinadaan yung brush dito sa hair natin on the top of our head or the crown. Kasi in this way, mas magmumukha siyang volumized and lifted at the same time, magmumukha rin siyang mas makapal. So that is it. If you want a more volumized and bouncy hair, it will only take you less than 15 minutes. But because I'm extra maarte whenever I'm filming, so you can also follow this additional step in order to have a more styled hair rather than just a regular volumized hair. So I will get some portions or sections of my hair from the crown again. And typically, ito yung tinatawag nilang back comb. Yung para kang magtitis ng hair. But this time, you're just gonna use the same brush that I used earlier. And then, instead na sa pagilid mo siya hihigitin, i-roll mo siya towards the top part. Paano ba yun? Ang hirap i-explain, no? Basta yan, kung ano yung napapanood nyo, nakikita nyo naman, mas nagiging volumized siya. Iba-back comb nyo lang siya. And then, i-roll nyo siya towards the scalp and then keep it there for about 5 to 10 seconds, no longer than that kasi nga magiging mainit na siya. And then, tsaka nyo siya isusuklay palabas. Dahan-dahan kasi mahababanat nyo rin yung volume na nagawa nyo kapag hinigit nyo siya ng mabilis. And that's it. That is basically how I style my hair lately using this one-step volumizer, blower, and styler from Kronusph. Again, yung link sa description box makikita kung saan nyo siya mabibili. It's currently on sale. And also, you can always use my discount code Fritz VIP 10. that's it, guys. That is how I normally style my hair recently after kong ma-receive tong product na to from Kronusph PH. And yes, my hair has never been this good. I mean, 15 minutes lang. That's all what it takes for me to have a very bouncy and volumized hair. And even if ilipat ko dito sa kabila yung parting ng aking hair, maganda at maganda pa rin siya. Hindi yung may mga nakatago, may mga tutsang-tutsang, at saka yung may mga waves sa ilalim. Ito hindi, talagang maganda at bouncy and volumized pa rin siya. Ayan. So again, it only takes 15 minutes for me to style my hair like this. And if you are also looking for a product that will make your life easier, when especially when you're getting ready, I know quarantine pa, pero kung ano man yan, kung online selling man yang trabaho mo or kailangan mong maging presentable in front of the camera during quarantine, I think this will definitely be helpful for you. If hindi naman, maganda pa rin tong produkto nito for you to boost your confidence, kasi tayo mga ladies, when we look good, we feel good. So thank you so much for watching, and I hope na-enjoy nyo tong video na to. And if you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share this video dun sa mga gustong bumili ng ganitong product pero nagdadalawang isip pa. So thank you so much for watching again, and I'll see you on my next video. Goodbye!